let's take a little break away from the gas tank project. I got an idea on that. I'm cleaning up some other stuff, but one of the things that's happened here is this ain't working too good. That new fitting I did blew. So if you watch my videos, you saw that what I want to do is I'm going to crush it with some PEX fittings, and hopefully that'll hold it, and maybe some JB Weld too or something. I don't know, but God, I'm gonna put them up there. Oh, I had it all wrong. So I got Bonnie out, and let's see, they're packing up from doing the hay baling, the New Holland stuff. Okay, and I found out that weird looking tractor is a case. So yeah, we all had a nice little talk. So let's get the yellow ladder up there and get the iVice tool. And I think this is it here. Is that it? Yep. And we're going to go up there and we're going to squeeze and glue, and I'm running out of room. I got too many projects going at the same time. This gas tank project's got big on me. Okay. Now I'm not going to be able to take you with me on this little adventure because I'm going to have my hands full. I got to get everything up there. Where's that thing? There it is. And so I got to take this and this and this and that, and then so I can't really take you up there, but I'll tell you how it turns out. So you got to grab that line there. So I'm just going to cut these off and just let them go. Okay, I finished. I got all my PEX fittings, and I got JB Weld all everywhere, inside and out. So we'll test it tomorrow. I think that's going to do her. But let me go down and I'll try to just do this one step at a time here, because those worm gear fittings just did not work. Okay, we're almost there. Ugh. And I was squeezing them pretty good. So I don't know, the sizes on things are just so weird anymore. Oops, that's not good. Let's wipe all that off. Okay, so we'll give her a try tomorrow, and I don't want to turn her on now, and we'll just have to wait till then. I think they're over there making hay. It's the next day, getting ready to go replace a bunch of consumables and tools and stuff that I busted on Daphne. But Daphne's like that. Doesn't bother me. She's a tough old nut here. So let's see. We're going to charge this all the way up. Ready? Ready. And we're going to see if that holds up there. We're going to let it charge all the way up, and then I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to go to the getting spot. And then we'll see if it's all in one piece when I get back. I don't want to put my other car in here until I'm sure. Not too nervous about it getting onto the bonneville, but I don't want a convertible top near a piece of brass flinging around and 135 pounds of air in it. All right, she's fully charged. I don't hear no snakes hissing. All right, let's go turn it off. It's 11:44. So when we come back, I don't care if it leaks down a little bit. I just don't want it to blow the lines off. So let's turn this off. Okay, everything else is off. Okay. You know, I think I hear it leaking. Yeah, I think it is. Let's go get something else. Let's go do something else about this. So let's take that with us too. I gotta take this with me and get a coupling. So I'm gonna have to come up with some other plan here, because I don't want any leaks. Okay. We'll take that with, because it's got all the fittings. We'll see if we can find something better. You tries and you tries. It's 2:30, and I just got back down into the barn here, and holding there pretty good. But that's not going to do it for me, because that thing's, I can hear it, and I don't like that. Compressing air costs money, so you want to try to save what you can, save the whales. So what I did was I got a half, and it's 3/8. But I'm gonna get my heat gun up there and see if I can shove them in there, and then that'll be the end of that. So, okay, let's change topics here. We're gonna go after the hissing noise one more time. We're gonna go up a size and get the heat gun and try to get it on there, and we're going to use a combination of PEX fittings and hose clamps, and hopefully we can get this system to where it does not leak down. So I'm looking forward to the Flexzilla line working as it should. Finally. It's been sitting for a couple of days, so there's a little bit of air left in it. I'm surprised by that. So let's get all that out of there. It's not good to cut these lines with air in them. Just not a good thing. Get whacked to death, or whacked and hurt or something. It ain't good. Okay, we're ready to go up. I got Seal Glide. I got the heat gun ready. I got all my fittings here. So let's put everything in your pockets here and head up and see what we can do about this thing. I'm down to that because I don't know where my other stuff is because of all the work I'm doing on Daphne. So let's go up there and do this thing. So we're just going to be cutting that down and then hoping for the best. Oh, there are my other keys there. I couldn't fit those. It was just too big around. This is a little thicker wall than regular PEX, but I can't believe that leaked. But it did. So, all right. Well, I got it on there. And it wasn't too hard. The heat gun helped. The Seal Glide definitely helped. And there it is. So this ought to, I would say the 1/2 inch works. And so let's turn the air on. All right, air compressor. What do you know? All right, let's see if that hisses at me. Got to give it about 10 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes for it to fill up. Okay, I don't hear it hissing anymore. That's a good thing. Nope, all fixed. Let's turn the air compressor off and turn it back on in a while and see if we got her. It's been about 5 hours. So let's see if we're holding air here. Yep, unbelievable. That is great. So that's what it took to fix that. So that's it. Let's not forget to turn that off. I didn't even turn anything else on over there today. All right, well, give us a thumbs up, and I'm not going to show you the other side of my thumb. And subscribe and like and all that stuff. And tell me where my funnel is. I can't find my funnel. It's been sort of a disarray thing. So anyway, talk to you later. Don't break anything while I'm gone, please. Okay, here he comes, putting it in a row, getting ready to put it into round bales. Hear him? There he is. Hey, how you doing? I'll go down there and speak to him in a minute. That's just so fascinating to me. Oh, that cleans it right up too. Look at that. Leaves almost nothing there. Okay. Alright. We'll wait for the round baler to come out. Let me get my farmer hat on. and act like a farmer. Okay, here comes the round baler. Well, kinda. I don't know what his trouble is. What's the trouble here? Yeah, he's got something going wrong. I'm gonna stand here in the shade. Come on, fella. You can see way down there, I'll zoom in, where they're gathering up their round bales. That's a kind of a funny background shot there. But right there, you can see them. Okay, here we go. Always curious to know how many bales we're going to get. He's got troubles. Something's not picking up right. Well, there's the first round bale. Looks like it's okay. Yeah, he's checking it. It's all right. There it goes. Uh-oh, that one fell to pieces. Oh no. Oh, rats. Poor guy. Talk about getting the hay up just in time, within hours. It ain't so bad, but those big cold raindrops, those big spring cold raindrops. So, there it is. And there that is. And here I go.